Hi, this is Dr. Catherine Goodson, founder of Medical Emergency Mastery. I teach dentists and their staff how to recognize and manage medical emergencies that occur in their practice so they can best protect their patients' health and safety. About 10 years ago, a medical emergency occurred in my office that changed my life and my practice forever. In the ensuing aftermath, I was forced to ask myself one simple question. What was my part in the development and resolution of the emergency? When I honestly answered that question, three glaring areas came to mind. First, I did not have a comprehensive medical history organized by systems that allowed me to assess the patient's medical status and make the best decisions. The second, my emergency drug kit had far too many ingredients in it that I was not qualified or able to use. The third is that I did not have a system of staff training that was reproducible and could be altered when staff members changed or when the size of my staff changed. I determined at that time that I would make changes in my practice. What I found was this system allowed me to not only train my staff appropriately, but to have a clear, concise understanding of my patient's medical history. By organizing the drugs systematically and only having the drugs in my kit that I was qualified to use, I felt a sense of peace and assurance. I began to share this information with my colleagues, and what I found was amazing. There were many dentists like me that were fearful of medical emergencies, unknowing how to care for them, not knowing what to do for them. What I determined at that time that I would take this simple system and share it with my colleagues. Throughout the years, I've had the pleasure of sharing this system with thousands of dentists around the country. What I find is this. Number one is if you're an older doctor like me and have been in practice for many years, the simplicity of an organizational system such as this makes logical sense. You too have probably had an emergency in your practice and you're hoping every day that today's not the day that you will have another one. Number two, if you're a younger doctor and just now joining the profession, this is an excellent time to be proactive and know that you're providing your patients with the best medical care possible. So I invite you to take a look at the information that's listed here. You'll find training materials, DVDs, and an emergency drug kit that's customized for general dentists. I thank you so much for your time today, and I wish you continued success in the best profession in the world. Thank you.